That's why you should be on YouTube like me, trying to figure out how you can do your own hair and save some coins instead of paying people over $200 to do your hair, period. Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel, Adrienne Taylor World. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle called Spring Twist. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So the hair that I purchased it on Amazon. And I've never bought hair from Amazon before. I've only used Sam's Beauty to order any hair that I want to use. So it was really like intriguing to me that they had 3 packs for like $24. And I was like, I did see some reviews on YouTube and I was like, okay, this company couldn't have paid everybody to give them a good review. So I did purchase the hair. So it came in 3 little packs like this. So fresh out of the pack, the hair looks like this. It's very tightly coiled. And I did like that just because I didn't realize how long it was. Like, look at this little piece. The length is there, but when you twist it, it does draw back up. So it's super long, but it springs back. Hence the term spring twist. So what I do with the spring hair before I install it in my hair is I take a piece. So this is fresh out of the pack. So you don't want to take it out too much, but just a little bit. Like that. Across the whole strand. So it starts to look like this. And then once you get to the end, it's like a limp noodle. See how there's that curl? I leave that curl intact. And I'll show you guys why. And then I take some jam and I apply it to the spring hair. Just to give it a little shine, you know what I'm saying? A little plump, a little moisturize. So I put the jam on my hair. So I take the hair and I twisted it a little bit. Then I take the spring hair and I just put my natural hair between it. See that? And I just pulled it really tight. And then I started to plait it. Make sure you pull it to keep it as close to the scalp as possible because it will slip if you don't pull it. So I try to pull it really tight. So I plait it down about 6 times. And then once you get your hair back in the middle, split that in 2. Once you split your hair in 2, you're going to twist. Now, the most important thing about this hair is that there's already a natural curl to it. There's already a natural twist to it. So you want to twist with the hair. You don't want to twist against the hair. So I'll show you what against the hair looks like. So if you take your left hand and you put that over your right. Once I let that go, look how messy that looks. Obviously you can see my real hair, but it doesn't go with the pattern of the twist itself. It just doesn't have the same look as this. Now we're back at our base. You're gonna take your right hand and go to your left. And you're gonna twist that all the way down. And make sure I did the top part pretty tight so my natural hair doesn't look crazy. And then once I got past the point where my natural hair is, I just did like a regular loose twist. And I told you guys I didn't take that curl out of there, right? So I just put a little bit of jam on it. And I twisted it. And halfway into that curl, I stopped, right? Then I just take it and twirl it around to give it that bohemian feel. And that's it. Look at this twist. Somebody come look at this. So there you have it. That is how I do my spring twist. Now, if you know anyone who's looking a little dusty, send them this video. Be like, hey girl, I found this super easy hairstyle that is on a budget and you'll look cute. Let her know, girl. If you look a little dusty, you're at the right place. You already know how to do it. Just go buy the hair. Well, Amazon Prime, it'll be quick, fast, and in a hurry. If your mama look dusty, shoot, send her the link. She ain't gonna be mad. What did you say? I didn't hear you, sorry. Sorry. What? Oh yeah, I do my hair, yeah. You know, it only took 9 hours, but I did it. So, if you like me, subscribe. If you like this video, like it. If you didn't like this video, actually leave a comment below and let me know why you didn't like it. Cause, I mean, it's just a video about hair. What you not gonna like about it? My personality. And so thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Stay beautiful and be positive.